Yeah, good evening, Dan. So we now know this performance evaluation will include a review of Mr. Mozingo's contract, and Mr. Mozingo will be allowed to respond to those concerns next week. The performance evaluation of Carmel by the Sea's City Attorney Glenn Mozingo has been tabled until next week, but the city's new mayor, Dave Potter, says there is now some clarity about what exactly is now on the table to be addressed.
The previous council had made decisions that this council were not privy to or involved with, and I think they wanted to get clarity on why some of the things happened. And I think that they have concerns about some of the provisions in the contract, and they want to discuss those with Mr. Mozingo or his resume. There's been some allegations the resume is not accurate.
Potter says when it comes to the city attorney's performance, he'd also like to set goals and objectives for the position so the council can monitor if the person they contracted is meeting them.
It is a new council, and the politics of it may have changed somewhat, but we want to make sure we're straightforward and direct about how we go about doing the public business.
We're told that transparency is apparently part of this new city council's philosophy. At Tuesday's meeting, Councilmember Bobby Richards publicly asked Mr. Mozingo why the legal service fees for a recent month exceeded the $30,000 retainer the city attorney is paid. Mozingo says that was payment for paralegal services and other litigation and investigations involving the city.
Mr. Mozingo was owed an opportunity to kind of explain to us where he thought he was going, and we would explain to him where we think things should go.
Now, Mayor Potter also talked about making this performance evaluation a regular part of the city attorney's position. Right now, there is not something like that in place. They said maybe they check in quarterly, semi-annually, annually, something like that. Dan.
All right. Thank you very much, Sierra. The exact date for next week's performance evaluation has not been set. Mayor Potter says if there are any decisions or actions that do come out of the meeting, they will notify the public.